Introduction to Supervisor Key Features, Part 2. This video will talk about the plugin menu and the management menu. You can open Supervisor from STU by coming to the Help menu and clicking on Supervisor. Supervisor login screen shows up on your browser. Of course, you can directly use this URL as well. Now, let's log in. Okay. Here is the plugin menu, and clicking on it will take you to this page right here. As you see, we have two tabs. They are My Plugin and Private. Let's start with the My Plugin tab. This is the list of all plugins that are included in the standard package, or base package of ARGOS platform. There are over 170 plugins today. Some plugins are showing as default, which means you find them in your toolbox without doing anything. Others have a switch next to them, meaning that, for you to see them in the toolbox, you must turn them on by clicking on the switch like so. At the top of the page, you can see what plugins are recently released in the new box, how many are active and how many are inactive, as well as the total number of plugins available in the base package. This little button allows you to switch on and off many plugins, with just one action after selecting them here. Next, let's look at the private repository. Private repositories contain non-standard, or custom plugins that are only available to designated STU users. As ARGOS low-code is low-code Python, the platform provides ultimate customizability of the toolbox, meaning that anyone with any useful Python resources can add new plugins to their toolbox via their private repositories. This scheme is fully compatible with Python, and you can have as many private repositories as you like. There are no limitations. How to build and link new private repositories are described in the POTSDK document. Let's go to the management menu. As you see, the management menu contains three main features: users, notifications, and schedule filters. The users feature allows you to invite your team members to your account by adding their email address, such that you can have a group project where development, testing, deployment, and maintenance can be all done by the team. You can assign each one of your team members to have a different authority level depending on their roles and responsibilities. It is called Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC. The next feature is notifications. This is an alarm system. Primary use case for the alarm is when any of your automation scenarios have failed to complete the execution in the field. You can set scenario, PAM, event, and the subscribers of the notifications here. The last feature provides a comprehensive filtering for scheduled tasks. This is a useful feature when you want the schedule to be paused for any reason. You can set pause directly with the schedule itself, by scenario, by PAM, or for the entire account where it is called global. Now that is it for today. Now you know how to use the plugin and the management menu of the Supervisor. See you next time. Happy automation!